Hello and welcome to yet another video of Learning Science with Trusty. So this video is going to be very much fun and interesting for you guys as I'm going to share some tips, tricks or you can say some cheat codes to learn periodic table within minutes. Periodic table याद करना usually students के लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा tough होता है and इससे related questions जो है सारे competitive exams whether it is NEET, JEE, SSC और RRB सब में पूछे ही जाते हैं. And this competitive world, when the students are scoring perfect full marks, we need to be extra smart to score better than the other students. So why not learn some tricks to remember few things very nicely? Okay, so I will not take much of your time. Without any further delay, let's get started with this video. So before moving further on to the tips and tricks, we need to know some basic things about the periodic table. That what are the periodic table made up of, how many elements are there in each period of the periodic table, what are the S, P, D and F block elements, and then we will begin with the mnemonics to learn those elements of specific blocks. Okay, so first of all, here you can see the in the periodic table that the vertical columns represent the group of the periodic table. You can see the numbering over the elements, that is 1 2 3 and up to 18. So these are the numbering of the groups present in the periodic table. So there are 18 groups in the periodic table. And what are groups? Groups are the vertical columns of the periodic table. And now let us move on to the periods. Periods are nothing but the horizontal rows. Horizontal rows of the periodic table are the periods. There are 7 periods in the periodic table. Now you will ask that how many elements are there in the periodic periods of periodic table. So first of all, in the very first period you can see that only 2 elements are there, that is the hydrogen and the helium. So in the first period only 2 elements are there, that is the hydrogen and the helium. In the second and the third period you can see that there are 8 elements. You can count it as well: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So there are 8 elements in the second and the third period of the periodic table. There are 18 elements in the fourth and fifth period, and there are 32 elements in the sixth and the seventh period of the periodic table. Now you're going to ask कि sixth and seventh period में 32 elements कैसे हो गए, because this period is almost looking same as fourth and the fifth period. So here you can see that the green and the yellow representing elements, these are also the part of the period 6 and the 7, but these are excluded out from this list and given down here as the F block elements. So these are also the part of the period 6 and 7. So the period 6 and 7 contains 32 elements. Period 1 contains only 2 elements. Period 2 and 3 contains 8 elements. Period 4 and 5 contains 18 elements. And period 6 and 7 contain 32 elements. ये याद करने से आपको क्या फ़ायदा होगा कि आप सारे एलिमेंट्स के एटॉमिक नंबर जो है वो ईजिली लिख पाओगे. आपको निमोनिक्स तो पता चल जाएंगे सारे एलिमेंट के नेम को याद रखने के लिए, बट व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू प्रिपेयर द चार्ट फॉर पीरियोडिक टेबल यू विल ऑल्सो नीड टू राइट द एटॉमिक नंबर. एटॉमिक नंबर याद करना भी आपके लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो मैंने अगर आपको नंबर बता दिया है कि हाउ मच एलिमेंट्स आर प्रेजेंट इन अ period, then you can easily write the atomic number as well. Okay, now you can see here that group 1 and group 2, that is the hydrogen and the beryllium one, are the S block elements. These are the S block element. The red one represent the alkali metal, and the group 2, that is the beryllium one, represent the alkaline earth metal. So these two are the S block elements. Yellow ones are the transition metals or the D block element, that is the group 3 to group 12. These are the D block elements. And now the 13 to 18 group are the P block elements, and the one which are given in the last, that is the period 6 and 7 one, these are the F block elements. So now let us begin with the S block elements, यानी कि tips and tricks to learn the S block element of the periodic table. In this video I'm only gonna share the tips for the S block element, and the next video I will share the tips and tricks to learn P block, and then in the further videos the D and the F block, ताकि आपके लिए ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा simple हो जाए और ये video जो हो ज़्यादा lengthy ना हो. So without any further delay, let's get started. Now let's get started with the tips and tricks to learn the S block elements of the periodic table. So as I said earlier as well, that the group 1 and the group 2 of the periodic table are the S block elements, that is the alkali metals, and the alkaline earth metals are the S block elements of our periodic table. So what does the group 1 includes? Group 1 includes hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. Now let us move on to the tip to learn this. सो द टिप इज लीना की रूबी से फ्रेंडशिप है. लीना की रूबी से फ्रेंडशिप है. सो लीना एंड रूबी आर टू गर्ल्स जिनकी एक दूसरे के साथ क्या है, फ्रेंडशिप है. सो हियर द लीना की ली रिप्रेजेंट्स द लिथियम. लीना की ली रिप्रेजेंट्स द लिथियम. लीना का Na यानी कि ना रिप्रेजेंट्स द सोडियम, बिकॉज सोडियम का जो ये नेम है इट इज़ Na, इट इज़ रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय Na. पोटेशियम का अनदर नेम इज केलियम, सो इट इज़ रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय K. सो की का K will be for potassium. रुबीडियम का Ru, that is रूबी का Ru will be for rubidium. से का Cs will be for cesium and friendship का Fr will be for francium. ओके, सो लीना की रूबी से फ्रेंडशिप है, यानी कि ली हो जाएगा फॉर लिथियम, Na फॉर सोडियम, K फॉर पोटेशियम बिकॉज द अनदर नेम ऑफ पोटेशियम इज केलियम, Ru for rubidium, Cs for cesium and Fr for francium. Okay, so this was the cheat code to learn the group 1 of the S block element. Now let us move on to the second group, that is the alkaline earth metal group. Now what does this group contain? It contains beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. What does it contain? Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. Now the cheat code for this is बेटा मांगे कार स्कूटर बाप रोने से राजी. तो एक बेटा है वो अपने पापा से स्कूटर एंड कार मांग रहा है एंड वो इतना ज़्यादा रोता है कि अल्टीमेटली जो उसका बाप है वो उसके लिए राजी हो जाता है, मान जाता है. ओके, सो बेटा का Be इज़ फॉर बेरिलियम. बेटा का Be इज़ फॉर बेरिलियम. M is for magnesium. M is for magnesium. कार का C is for calcium. कार का Ca is for the calcium. स्कूटर का S is for the strontium, that is the Sr. It is represented by Sr symbol. बाप का Ba is for barium and राजी का Ra is for रेडियम. सो बेटा मांगे कार स्कूटर बाप रोने से राजी. Be is for beryllium, M for magnesium, Ca for calcium, S for strontium, Ba for barium and Ra for radium. So these were the two cheat codes for learning the S block elements of our periodic table. Hope you guys learned this really nicely, because this was very much easy and this was just the starting of this periodic table trick video. I'll be uploading 3 more videos of different blocks, that is the P, D and F block, ताकि आपको ये पूरा periodic table बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छे से समझ में आ जाए. And yes, I'll be uploading this tip and trick video on every Sundays, that is the weekends, so that आपके जो सिलेबस के साथ साथ आपके जो एक्स्ट्रा चीज़ें हैं उनका भी प्रिपरेशन बहुत अच्छे से हो जाए. सो इफ़ यू गाइज अंडरस्टूड एवरीथिंग एंड आपको अच्छी लगी मेरी वीडियो तो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. एंड येस, अगर आपको लगता है मैं किसी तरीके से इम्प्रूव कर सकती हूँ, सो डू लेट मी नो. ओके, बाय बाय, सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो.